We're at Big Nasty Motocross Park here in Georgia, and I'm gonna go around this track real slow first and just kind of hold this camera and show you the track, and then I'll have my buddy film me doing some laps. But yeah, check it out, guys. We got us our own little pavilion back here. Got all our bikes lined up by the big mud pit. Got a little boy on his 50.
Why are you looking at me?
I don't know.
Why are you doing that?
Say spending that Google money.
Spending that Google money. Happy cuz stop! I'll just go get a suit. Look at this cool. You know how in the winter time we get the Harley jackets, like we got Harleys and go to the bar hang out?
She can't ride with you, no.
I thought.
No.
Ollie. No. Go. Go.
Strip out the sprocket when I get
Go.
You're in gear, buddy. Push it all the way down. Nope. Now pull your shifter up. Now go. Alright guys, well this is the Pee-wee track at the Big Nasty. Got the little guys doing their thing. traction.
You gotta have the big girls. Now watch this truck do a wheelie. Oh, big girl time.
What is that 400?
Yeah, there we go. Oh, God, no problem.
These guys weren't stupid. They brought their own damn tow truck. Well, this is how we're gonna end the day at Big Nasty, guys. Everybody had fun. Nobody got hurt. Only got the four-wheeler stuck a couple times. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, remember, it's not hate, it's heritage.